down o ma-prevent itong pagkalat ng mga videos na ito?
Well, by the content itself, it's violent, di ba? Pertaining to killing, violence may dugo. So, kailangan ba yung mapunta ron? That's why our SILP, our PNP, is investigating it properly. First is what would be the motivation of this minor shoot fellow minor and kill himself on the wards. So, merong motivation. So, we're looking into the we're looking into the friends, we're looking into family, we're looking into his habits, and we're looking at the physical evidence like the paano ginamit, paano napunta sa kanya. Those are the things that should be questions that should be answered based on our theories that we're looking. So that hindi naman para sa amin to make our work easier, but this is intended such that our community is safe, our children is safe, especially in school premises or dito na sa community. No? That's why the PNP with the July 16 incident in Acloban, in this one, in several incidents, marami tayong programa and we've been engaging not only the schools but also the parents themselves and the community na.
Sir, saan na po yung stage ng investigation ng PNP dito sa shooting incident na ito? Saan na pong stage?
This is a continuing investigation. Nakita nyo na kanina yung what are the facts that supposed to be given at binigay naman sa inyo. This is a continuing one. If you're asking about may tanong kanina eh. What was your question kanina? Meron siyang sinabi about confidential fund. Are we looking at confidential funds dito sa DepEd?
Chief, alarming po ba ito dahil po, nagiging parang normalize na po yung violence dahil sunod-sunod na po siya?
Well, we have two since July 16 and several studies. And mind you, hindi lang naman yun ang action natin. Despite of that, meron ding mga action tayo. That is the deployment, continuous engagement, nakikipag-usap tayo sa mga school authorities, including the communities, no, including the parents. Some are nagbibigay, there are information, pag nakakuha tayo ng information or posting from social media like merong mangyayaring masama kinabukasan, we're going to the student, the family themselves, di ba? Ina-engage natin. So such that, nasusolba natin one by one. This is not the work of the police alone. Kailangan natin na, lalong-lalo na, these are being committed inside the premises of the schools. And saan galing yung mga bata? Of course, nandiyan na rin sa pamilya. Kaya nga ako, tinitignan ko yung mga bag and then ano yung mga pinaglalaruan ng mga anak ko, lalo na sa social media.
Balikan ko lang po yung violent content in streaming. Gaano ka-importante na mga takedown shot? Ano po ba ang pwedeng epekto? Ano po ba epekto ng mga tao?
Nakalagay yan dyan sa mga TV, di ba? Parental guidance needed. Di ba? Merong rated R, rated P ba yun? PG. Oh, may mga ganon. Doon sa social media activities, meron bang ganon? Wala. So we need to study that. At bakit ba naglalagay tayo ng PG? Eh, given na yun. Di ba? Those are effective ways para mabantayan natin kung sino lang dapat ang makatanong, kung sino lang dapat ang mayaman.
So, panahon na sir na maglagay ng civilian police sa loob ng school. Maglagay ng mga police na civilian sa loob ng school para malay mo.
General, I'm asking.
Thank you po.